Okay, this is TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough, episode 37, and I'm your host, Terry Davis. Let's see where God takes us. Alt-B. Okay, we are Dock main. Okay, this is if I go on this file and I hit enter, I get a menu. You see this menu? Okay, well, this menu is in dock main. Docs dock main has the menu. The way we do these menus, term right click. Okay, we made a callback for the right button. So the right button is, if I move the mouse and click the right button, okay, it's the same menu as hitting enter. Enter and right button are the same. When the first thing it does is if it has a link. Okay, so if we hit enter on a what are we doing here? If we hit enter, if we hit enter on a macro, it doesn't function. Okay, because there's no link. Okay, if we hit so it gets the link off of the document entry. Then it calls this pop-up term right. That's this menu up here, pop-up term right. This is how you make a menu, a pop-up menu, and it gets the result. You define a button and you give it a left expression of one of these defines. You could just use numbers, but that's a bad idea. And the pop-up menu either returns a -1 for cancel, or it returns whatever the left expression that was selected was. Anyway, so that's how you do a pop-up menu. It's really easy. Then it goes to the bottom because if you want to do it at the bottom of the document, not the middle. And then it wow, that's kind of my define labels are a little bit short, right? That's a little bit offensive that it's that short. Anyway, so for the various if you include a file, first it prints a warning if it's not a .cpp file, and it cancels if you don't want to do it. Then it prints what it's going to do just for the sake of if we come over here, we hit enter, include. You see it prints that include. It didn't have to. That wasn't the actual command. And this WinZBuff update, that's because we had a pop-up that closed, and that can sometimes cause problems. I don't think you have to worry about it. And then finally, execute file st. This is this compiles and runs the file you included, and result true. I don't remember what that is. I think that prints a carriage return. Let's see what happens if you have result true. Oh, we return true. That means we return true. Okay, so the rest of these are pretty straightforward. This does atom in atom file. That's the same as exe file, except for the atom task. Copy. We do a copy command and we return the result. Right move. We do a move up. What is this? Oh, there it is. Okay. We have to do a form to prompt for the file name that we want to move it to. Then we move it from its original to the new one. And finally we get down here to some of these. Edit. This is write ed. I don't remember. Edit. That's kind of strange. Why do we have that when we can just hit space? Oh well, we do have it. Plain text. Auto file is for a slightly different thing. Anyway, plain text, if you have a file that's from Windows or Linux, you might want to use plain text because dollar signs are a problem are special in TempleOS files. There's a tool if it's a plain text and you want to convert it. Let's say you have a document from Windows that has dollar signs. What you do is you include this file, include, and then you say to $docs. Is that what you say? To $doc, and then you say the source file. Okay. Anyway, so that's that.